ìjọba ìpínlẹ̀ Èkó ti ní kò sí ohun tó jọ ẹ̀sùn tí àwọn onímọ́tò Korope fi ń kàn án pé òun fẹ́ gba ìṣàkóso lílọ-bíbọ̀ ọkọ̀ lójú ọ̀nà márosẹ̀ Lẹ́kì sí Ẹ̀pẹ́ lọ́nà àti fi ọgbọ́n kó àwọn ọkọ̀ tó jẹ́ ti Seyi Tinubu wọlé sójú ọ̀nà náà ni. Ìròyìn fìdí ẹ̀ múlẹ̀ pé lónìí yìí làwọn onímọ́tò Korope náà tú síta lọ́pọ̀ yanturu fún ìfẹ̀hónúhàn pẹ̀lú bí wọ́n ṣe ń nàka ẹ̀bi sí ìjọba ìpínlẹ̀ Èkó fún irúfẹ́ ìgbésẹ̀ yìí, tọ́pọ̀ wọn sì ní ìjọba ti fẹ́ gba ìjẹ lẹ́nu àwọn fún Seyi Tinubu.
How many children do you have? How many children do you have?
I have 2 children.
Madam, what about you? Driver. She has 4 children. You know, if you take the job away from her, she's saying, what will she be doing? You know, they should allow her work. As a woman crying out, Lagos State Sanwo-Olu should come to their rescue and go to negotiation table with them. They should negotiate with them and help them instead of sending them out of the road. What is the bill they are bringing?
For them saying they want to ban Korope or ban Tipo, I don't think that's a great idea for government.
They want to ban Korope because they want their bosses, only the government bosses to
do. They say they will give you for 8 million naira. How much is Korope?
Okay.
Actually, if individual wants to go and buy Korope, he should buy it and even give us if individual will give you Korope for 5 million naira, then what are you telling me? A government, who is a government of the people, is giving Korope for 8 million naira for citizens.
They should allow everybody to work. Yeah, government bosses, private bosses, all work should be, and they should work with you guys the way it can be comfortable for you.
I don't want to use the name. I don't want to use that word useless. I don't want to use that word useless. But at this point in time, Nigerians are fighting for themselves, so they should let Nigerians to express their rights. Don't come and put someone in bondage, because this I call it modern slavery. They are going through modern slavery and it's bad.
Ní ìdáhùn sí èyí, ẹni tó jẹ́ kọmíṣánná fún ìgbòkègbodò ọkọ̀ ní ìpínlẹ̀ Èkó, ọ̀gbẹ́ni Olúwaṣeun Òsíyẹmí, ó yànnàná ẹ̀ pé gbogbo ẹ̀sùn táwọn ènìyàn ọ̀hún fi kan ìjọba ó jẹ́ èyí tí kò sí òtítọ́ kankan níbẹ̀ rárá. Ó ní ohun tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ni pé ìgbòkègbodò ọkọ̀ ní agbègbè Lẹ́kì Ẹ̀pẹ́ ti wà lábẹ́ ìṣàkóso Bus Reform Initiative ìyẹn BRI, tó sì wà lábẹ́ àfojúsùn ìjọba ìpínlẹ̀ Èkó láti túbọ̀ so lílọ bíbọ̀ ọkọ̀ di èyí tí yóò mú kí ọrọ̀ ajé ìpínlẹ̀ Èkó náà túbọ̀ rú gọ́gọ́ sí i. Láti jẹ̀gbádùn àwọn ìròyìn lóníranran síwájú sí i, ẹ darapọ̀ mọ́ The Matrix lórí Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube àti X. Àdúrà Mọ́mi Balógun ló ṣe òǹgbùfọ̀ ìròyìn yìí. Ẹniọlá Sálíù lórúkọ mi.